How do lymphatic capillaries with flap valves work? Imagine tiny, flexible doors that open and close on their own to keep your body's fluids flowing smoothly. That's how lymphatic capillaries with flap valves help keep you healthy. These small vessels are the first step in collecting fluid from tissues. They are made of a single layer of endothelial cells that overlap like shingles on a roof. These overlaps form flap-like structures called minivalves or primary lymphatic valves. Unlike larger vessels, these capillaries don't have muscles or internal valves. Instead, they rely on these overlapping cells to act as one-way gates. Anchoring filaments made of elastic fibers attach the capillaries to the surrounding tissue. These filaments sense pressure changes in the tissue and help open or close the flaps. When tissue pressure increases, the anchoring filaments pull on the endothelial cells, causing the flaps to swing open. This allows fluid, which contains water, immune cells, and sometimes pathogens, to enter the capillary. When the pressure inside the capillary rises, the endothelial cells come closer together, and the flaps close. This prevents lymph from flowing backward. The flap structures are held together by junctional proteins like V-cadherin and tight junction proteins such as occludin and claudin 5. These proteins form button-like connections between cells. Between these buttons are areas rich in pectin-1, a protein that helps immune cells like leukocytes enter the lymphatic capillaries easily. When tissues swell or become inflamed, the pressure pushes more fluid into the capillaries. The increased fluid volume causes the flaps to open wider, letting in more immune cells and antigens. This process helps the immune system detect and respond to threats quickly. The lymph collected from tissues flows into larger vessels, which have their own valves and smooth muscle. These larger vessels contract rhythmically, pushing lymph forward toward the thoracic duct and eventually into the bloodstream. The flap valves in the capillaries work with these larger vessels to keep lymph moving in one direction. This system is simple yet smart. It uses pressure differences and overlapping cells to create a one-way gate that needs no energy. It automatically adjusts to tissue conditions, making sure immune cells and fluids are always on the move. This way, the immune system can monitor every part of the body efficiently and respond swiftly to any danger.